Michigan Center Schools, where success begins.
Hello Michigan Center, my name is Scott Koziol. I'm the new superintendent here at Michigan Center School District. I just want to take this opportunity to introduce myself to you so that you know a little bit more about me and what my vision is for the future here at Michigan Center. I currently live in Jackson with my wife, Brenda, as well as my two daughters, Megan and Madeline, and have lived in Jackson my whole life. I graduated from Jackson High School and went on to Michigan State University, where I earned a bachelor's degree in elementary education. I then was hired at Napoleon Community Schools as an elementary teacher, where I served there for 11 years, while in the meantime also earning my master's degree at Michigan State in educational leadership. After serving 11 years in Napoleon, I moved on to Vandercook Lake Schools, where I was the curriculum director for 3 years, and then before this position, I moved on to the Jackson County ISD, where I served as an education consultant. Because of the opportunities I was able to have at the Jackson County ISD, I was allowed to serve as an interim superintendent here at Michigan Center Schools starting in January. And based on the success of that opportunity and experience, the Michigan Center School Board just hired me as the full-time superintendent at the March board meeting. The purpose of these screencasts will be to update you on a monthly basis, just kind of the different things that are going on at the school district, so that you know how much we appreciate your support and using your support to make a lot of great things happen for our students here at the school. So for this month, I would like to share with you some of the district projects that are going on currently, as well as ones that are being considered for the future. The first one is the security project that is actually completed at this time. It did involve all buildings. There were over 60 security cameras installed at each of the across the district, and the online software that we're using to monitor the cameras is also allowing us to archive video and save that in case we need to go back and capture that. Door swipes were added at the junior high and high school, so that the staff can have a secure entrance, and any visitors that come in will be buzzed in through an intercom system in the office. And like I said, this project is completed with the hopes of looking at adding some door swipes at Arnold and Kiker in the future. There's a pretty big lighting project going on right now across the entire district. We're working with Bruton Electric to update all of our bulbs to T8 bulbs, which are much more energy efficient and will create a brighter, more productive and better learning environment. And the status of this project is that Kiker is completely finished. All bulbs have been updated, and Bruton is currently working at Arnold on updating their bulbs as well. And then hopefully over spring break, all of our gyms will be finished, and the big work will begin at the high school, where it'll be more of replacing fixtures as well as the bulbs. We've also completed the wireless campus project. That was a great project for us because of the amount of technology that we are using with the students, and this is going to stretch across all buildings eventually. Currently, there were 37 access points put into place here at the junior and senior high school, with both a guest and secure network, so that we can pretty much address anybody coming into the district. So if you have a need for coming in and using one of the rooms, there will be a wireless network available for you. Arnold and Kiker will also be receiving multiple access points, but we're waiting to make sure that everything is okay here at the junior high and high school, and we'll be taking the old access points from here and placing those over at Arnold and Kiker. Hopefully, all of this will be completed around spring break. Most recently is our roofing project, which will impact both Arnold and Kiker. We are only addressing the worst sections of the building. It will not be a complete roofing replace, but we will be taking the existing roofs that were areas of concern and stripping them right down to the deck, so that we know we're taking care of all of the potential problems in regards to leaks, or making sure that's all airtight. So the status of this project is all sealed bids were turned in to me on March 24th, and our Board of Education will be reviewing those bids on March 30th at our work session, with hopes of making a decision on how to proceed forward in either April or May. Another project that we have slated for the summer, based on availability of funds and the extent of work that would need to be done is the concession stand and bathrooms of our athletic complex. We know we need to work on these and make them a little bit more user-friendly. We will be remodeling the current building, so we will not be adding any structures. We'll be staying within the current building to expand the bathrooms, taking advantage of a little space inside, and then also remodeling the entire existing concession area to make that a more friendly and better experience for us in the fall. And like I said, the status of this is we're currently reviewing the project and trying to determine the amount of funds that will be needed to make this happen. This is just a sample of what this will look like on a monthly basis, and hopefully we'll have a different theme each month. So for the month of April, I'm hoping to talk with you regarding the non-homestead renewal election on May 3rd. This is a very important vote for the district, and we're going to highly encourage you to vote that day, and hopefully with the information I provide you, you'll see the benefits that that'll provide us here at Michigan Center. So have a great spring break, and look forward to seeing you next month.
Michigan Center Schools, where success begins.